Hi everyone, I hope you are having a great day today. I welcome back to my another video. On this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix games cannot run under virtual machine, especially play Valorant on virtual machine. If you use virtual machine for running games, you may see the message, "Sorry, this application cannot run under a virtual machine." I will fix this issue. First, please find Regedit on search bar. Then click local machine, hardware, description, and system. And click video BIOS, system version, and delete all comment or all message. Then replace with no box 1. Then click save or OK. Okay, close the Regedit. Okay, go to again to search bar, then search command prompt and run it as administrator. Then type the command prompt and enter. Then type sfc/scan file, or you can follow the command like on the screen. And type again sfc/verify file. And enter. Okay, then type sock and chkdsk, enter, and please wait. And the last, type sfc scan file and enter. And now you can close the command prompt. Then try to launch the apps or against. Please wait, I'm going to change the display resolution for better quality. Okay, and next I will open Valorant games. Then click play. Then yeah, the games can run under virtual machine. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for more updates, and see you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.